My wife doesn't like breakfast burritos, except that breakfast burrito right there. That's the one. I'm not going to tell you what's in it. You're going to have to stick around to find out. It's made a little different than most, but it's super awesome and yummy, and it's getting cold, so I'd better finish this so that you can watch the rest of the video so she can eat this thing before she gnaws my face off. All right, let's get to the video. So what is the meat that is in my wife's favorite breakfast burrito? Well, it's ham. This is just some deli ham here, sliced up for some sandwiches. They're not very big pieces, so I'm using 3. If you have like country ham or a honey baked ham or ham steak or something, please feel free to use that. Just make it into some bite-sized pieces. Here I'm separating it so that it cooks up a little bit more easily. You don't want big lumps of ham in there. Now that the ham's all cut up, let's put it in a frying pan and put a little love on it. Now we're just going to cook this off a little bit. I'd previously been cooking some chorizo in here for another burrito, so that's where the extra color is coming from. It's not cooking that fast. Now we got a pat of butter going down, melt that in, and we're going to add our eggs. There are 2 eggs and a tablespoon of milk along with some salt and pepper, and we're just going to scramble that up, and we're going to add some cheddar cheese and some Monterey Jack cheese to that, and just keep folding this around till the eggs are cooked. And when they're almost cooked, we're going to add a scoop of salsa in here. Use the salsa of your choice. Just kind of mix that up and get that going, and this is the main filling of the burrito. The only thing from here is how it gets assembled, and there's still a couple of secret ingredients. All right, so all we have to do is assemble our burrito at this point. We got the eggs, the ham, the cheese there. We're putting beans in this. Yeah, it's getting beans. It's not the traditional ingredient for a breakfast burrito. Don't care. See, whatever your wife likes is perfectly acceptable. It's totally normal and absolutely wonderful. That's what you do, right? Making sure the cameras are all on. It's crazy. There's a lot of friggin' cameras, but somebody said I shot from too far away, so I'm trying to get every camera I have on it. There you go. All right, next thing that goes in here is our potatoes and ham in. Let me try and do it this way so you can actually see what's going on. I don't need to see. I'm fine. As long as you can see. That's all that's important. Okay, so we have our eggs. Sorry, they're not potatoes. Did I say potatoes? There's no potatoes in this, trust me. Woo-hoo-hoo! No. Okay, eggs, ham, cheese, a little bit of salsa in there. Now, what else do you put on it? Why, sour cream, of course. Why wouldn't you? Of course, I forgot to open this before we started. Thought, there we go. Give this a quick stir, because, you know, you've got time. You've got nothing better to do, right? So how you been? Kids? Good. Glad we could catch up. All right, not a ton of sour cream, just enough so you know when you get some. See, you have to make it well balanced, and if you don't spread it out evenly, then you're just going to get a big mouthful of sour cream, and that's gross. Now, I'm going to ask the recipient of this, hot sauce? No hot sauce. Cheese. What are you pointing at?
Cheese.
It's over there.
Salsa.
Salsa. Cheese and salsa. Okay. Thank you very much. More cheese, more cheese, more cheese, both kinds of cheese. Oh yeah. You gotta have good amount of cheese, and then some more of the super fancy salsa here. What's the rule? If it comes out of a jar, it's faster. I'm not lying. Okay. Now what we do is wrap this thing up. Bring it in. Tuck it over. Pull it into the sides. Boom. It's a burrito. Yeah, it is. Now I'm going to throw this in the frying pan real fast to get it crispy, because crispy is better. Okay, so this goes back in the frying pan, goes back on there. That's going to melt the cheese and keep everything warm. And we'll do that and be back here in 2 seconds. I don't know if we need to film that. It's a burrito in the frying pan. Maybe I will. I don't know. What the heck, I'll show this part too. Alright, I just put the burrito back in the frying pan. This basically just warms it up and cooks the tortilla a little bit. Alright, so it has come off the frying pan. It looks amazing. We're going to cut into it to show you how amazing. Yes, we are. Because that's how much I care about you guys. I'm not just saying that, I really do. This is a really neat experience for me. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's pretty amazing. See the little camera? See the little... Oh. That right there is how you make... Here, I'll do it this way. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. And because... a little bit of extra salsa right there, just for funs and giggles. That is how you make my wife's favorite breakfast burrito, right there. And I better stop filming or she's going to gnaw my hand off to get to it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, you there. Yeah, I'm talking to you, buddy. Did you know that most of the people watching these videos are not subscribed to this channel? You know how much they're missing out on? You can't even hit the notification bell unless you're subscribed. That's crazy. You gotta hit the button. I mean, not that button. No, not that one. That one. There you go. That's the button. All right, hit the bell. Then you're gonna know when the videos come out and all that good stuff. You're gonna love it. But that's all I got for now because hey, gotta go now. Train's coming. See you later. Bye.